Hello viewer, if you face conversation required an update, this conversation was created with a newer version of Gemini, or you cannot create image on Gemini. Let's see the solution. Step 1. Tap and hold on Gemini app. Click on I button. Now scroll down and tap on storage. From the lower right corner, clear cache data from your Gemini app. Now go back to your home screen. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Tap on search icon. Now search Google Gemini. From here, check your Google Gemini app. If your app is not updated, make sure your Gemini app is updated. So we think if you follow this step, your Gemini conversation required an update error problem will be solved.